Wow. Really?
You pretty?
Jeremy's going now? Brush your hair. Brush your pretty hair. Yeah?
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's quite a good story. Tata. Tata.
Oh, pretty girl. Getting your hair brushed.
Yeah.
You do it. Oh, look at you. I brushed Daddy's hair.
This is like a movie.
Brush your hair, baby.